Welcome dear students. Today we are going to learn about the derivation of the formula. The first formula is nth term of an AP. Generally in the AP T1, T2, T3 etc. if the first term is A and common difference is D, then first term T1 equal to A and T2 second term is first term plus common difference. That is, instead of T1, A plus D. So, A plus D can be written as A plus 2 minus 1 into D. Now, third term is what? Second term plus common difference. Second term is what? A plus D. A plus D which is equal to A plus 2D. So, A plus 2D can be written as A plus 3 minus 1 into D. Similarly, fourth term is equal to third term plus common difference, which is equal to third term is what? A plus 2D. A plus 2D plus D. So, which is equal to A plus 3D. Now, A plus 3D can be written as A plus 4 minus 1 into D. Similarly, T5, fifth term can be written as what? Fourth term plus common difference. Fourth term is A plus 3D plus D, A plus 4D, which is equal to, this can be written as A plus 5 minus 1 into D. And sixth term also will be A plus 6 minus 1 into D and so on. Therefore, nth term will be Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now, this is the formula to find out the nth term of an AP. Now, second derivation, that is to find out the sum of first n terms of an AP. Now, A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D etc. A plus n minus 1 into D. This is an arithmetic progression. Now, in this progression, A is the first term and D is the common difference. Now, let us write the sum of first n terms as Sn. Therefore, Sn is equal to A plus first term plus second term A plus D plus etc. plus second last term plus last term. Again, write Sn in the same expression, write the same expression in reverse order. Last term A plus n minus 1 into D plus second last term plus etc. second term plus first term in reverse order. Now, we have to add these two. So, by adding these two, we get 2Sn is equal to, we get 2A plus n minus 1 into D plus 2A plus n minus 1 into D plus etc. 2A plus n minus 1 into D. This is n times. I will show you how I added this. See, A plus first term plus first term, A plus n minus 1 into D. So, A plus A is 2A n minus plus n minus 1 into D. Now, this second term is what? A plus D, and here second term is what? A plus n minus 2 into D. Now, A plus D plus A plus open the bracket here ND minus 2D. Now, A plus A is 2A and plus 1D minus 2D will be minus 1D plus ND. Now, write this as 2A plus ND minus 1D, which is equal to 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So, same way when we add the third term and last term we will get everywhere 2A plus n minus 1 into D. And therefore, 2Sn is equal to what? This is n times 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Therefore, Sn is equal to n upon 2, okay, n upon 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So, this is the formula to find out the sum of first n terms of an AP. Now, this can be written as Sn equal to n upon 2 and just multiply, open the bracket, into 2A plus again n upon 2 into n minus 1 into d. So we can cancel this 2 and 2, we get na plus here we will get n into n minus 1 upon 2 into d. So we can use this formula also. Generally we use this formula. Okay, here a is the first term, d is the common difference. Also this Sn, this formula n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d can be written as n upon 2 into 2a can be written as a plus n minus 1 into d. Now n upon 2 into this a is what, first term. So instead of a we will put t1 plus now a plus n minus 1 into d is what, nth term. So nth term is what, tn. So tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d and a is what, t1. So we can use Sn is equal to n upon 2 into t1 plus tn. We can use either this formula or this formula. But when we can use this formula, when the first term and the last term are given, we have to use this formula. When the first term and the common difference are given, we have to use this formula, or even we can use this formula. Now we will see some more derivations in next class.